chibesa one day. Nyoro ni mwana chibesa. Dero. Iga. Ukora kindu mwebe chibesa. Chibesa ni. Kwa maganya kwa mara sema no debe chibesa. Chiro no yo bati. Kwa sere tuki. Ako gori chianga. Ako gori sidi. Ako gori ko. Chibesa ni. Yani ndangu yeye nasi. Tumesabe.
Shida yake nini?
Sasa sijui atafika aje kwao. Atafika aje kwao.
Melewa sana hivi. Tumpeleke pikipiki sio?
Si nimpandishe pikipiki aende kwao.
Alafu unarudi.
Acha nione venye anafika. Nimpandishe pikipiki kwanza nione kama atarudi. Acha afike kwao.
Sawa, mpeleke.
Unare.
Mpeleke.
show. Have you seen her? What's going on? Mate gari uno silo yogi. What's going on? Ore mate gari.
Makiari.
Omo. Ene chianga na mage chiana gete. Lakini gara ile gai.
Ukingira?
Ya begete batuki.
Yesu kwa.
Uno yogi no. Loyo.
Wana mtaja taunyele.
Ore. Mete na tu.
Okoba.
No baro rare ga we. Como to kana ga yar. Chuma sene ga chire. Dara biya. Wanale. No ara ni sa gana ne ga.
Unjuka kito mtika. Ya kisiba. Bakito mtika kuchoma ngoni kisiba.
Ko jani. Yes, kito ni. Nito mkumu. Nito so. Boka. Boka. Tena. Wala. Kisiba.
I know we've been in a relationship for a long time, but is this how we can do?
What? You can do better. You are the one who's stripping.
No.
Yes,
It's
you
happening
are.
out there and all that. Getting a lot of messages, like people calling me, people texting me about you and all that. I don't know. Should I trust them or what should I do?
Are you dating people or me?
You are.
Then
I just want to know if that's true or what. I don't want to put everything on you, which I don't know if it's true.
have you been listening to rumors?
Yeah, sometimes rumors have their legs. I don't know.
Come on, man.
I know I love you, but I have to listen from you. What's it? What's going on?
They are lying. Obviously, they are lying. They are jealous. Who are people?
Probably might be your friends who know we chat, we talk, and all that.
Then don't listen to them. They are probably lying because they are saying we are good and we are okay.
That's okay. I'm so sorry, then.
You know
I'm
how
trying to tell you
bitches.
to apologize if you didn't do nothing bad.
Yeah, I did. Obviously,
We
I
are
did.
we are human beings. That's the thing. But in the end, niambie unaendeleaje?
I'm fine. You promised to buy me a fridge and you've not sent me money, so I'm not fine.
I'm sorry. There's time for it.
Watu naye kama ono iyo muntu onyite
nakigwataga kwana
nabo ndako
Igwamponya.
nje no muntu gaiga nabo ndagukonya
ya
nabo oranyore nke muntu okori hikimete so ngali anyore
njembi yandi tari
kirito nimete kuchumuinari
tinda utionkonye
nara gopimire watene kama no muntu kwangori
bona rinko
ore bonareri obwate agatukiga
ayengo ngwasiri ori chinsando chinsa nakibona gwata
nakibonda ibo mwese kawe okondama nero konzari lo mwana ngomye haye toma nyati okondebe naye kutana bonareri
karua nje gwata kikarua Omakugwa karua karua nje gwata karua
tiga ngangwa
omakungwayo nime ntomo sacho ugate nyombete kungaina excuse me
konyona bonarerinde
nyombete kungaina
konyona
karua nyombete kungaina karua mukungwayo nyombete kungaina
nako kwena bana bana
nime ntomo sacho next net
Toka.
Ai, kai ko ta.
Barka.